Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will learn how to delete or remove department data from MySQL table using Laravel Framework. Under this Visitor Management System project in the Laravel Framework. And here it will ask confirmation before it will delete data from MySQL table using Laravel. In previous part we have already seen how to update or edit department data under this Laravel Visitor Management System, and now we have to learn how to delete department data. So for delete department data, first we will write JavaScript code. For pop-up confirmation dialog box before deleting of department data. After this, we will create delete method in controller class. For delete department data from MySQL table in the Laravel framework. After this, we will set root for the delete method of department controller. And lastly, we will check output in the browser regarding deleting of department data from this system. Here on the web page, we can see that delete button we have already created at the time of loading of data in Laravel Yajra data table. So now we have proceed for delete data. So we have go to department.blade.php file, and here we have go to JavaScript code part. And here, we have to write $with document selector with on method with 3 argument. In the first argument, we have to write click event. After this, in the second argument, we have to write button class delete, and in the third argument, we have to write callback function. So when we have click on the delete button, then this block of code will execute. Now under this function, we have to write it variable is equal to $with this selector .data method, and under this method, we have to write it. So it will fetch value of data id attribute, and store under this id local variable. So after get department id value, now we have to write if statement and condition. We have to write confirm statement with message like are you sure you want to remove it. So when we have click on the delete button, then confirmation dialog box will be pop up in the browser with this message with OK and cancel button. So when we have to click on the OK button, then this if block of code will execute. And under this block of code, we have to write window.location.href is equal to /department/delete/ with dynamic value of id variable. So it will redirect to this URL, and it will delete department data from MySQL table. So here our JavaScript code is ready. Now we have go to department controller class. And under this class, we have to write delete method with $id variable as argument. Now under this method, we have to write $data variable is equal to department class with find a fail method with $id variable as argument. After this, here we have to write $data variable with delete method. So this method will delete department records from database, and department data will be deleted from MySQL table. So after deleting of data, now we want to redirect web page to index method of department controller. So for this, here we have to write return statement with redirect method. And under this method, we have to write department, so it will redirect web page to index method of the department controller class. Now for display, delete data success message. So for this, here we have to write with method with 2 argument, and here in first argument, we have to write variable name success, and in second argument, we have to write message like department has been data removed. So this message will be displayed on the web page after deleting of department data. And we have already write code for display success message, so here our delete department data code is ready. Now we want to set root for this delete method, so for this we have go to web.php file. And here we have to write root class with get method with 2 argument. In the first argument, we have to write department/delete/id variable. And in second argument, we have to write department controller class and delete method. After this, we have to write name method with delete as argument, so it will set root for the delete method. So here our code is ready. Now we have to check output in the browser. Friends, here first we have to refresh web page, and after refresh of the web page, here we can see that department data has been loaded in the jQuery data table with edit and delete button. Now we have to click on the delete button, and after click on the delete button, here we can see that confirmation dialog box has been pop up in the browser screen with OK and cancel button. So here, it has asked confirmation before deleting of department data. So here, first we have to click on cancel button, so after click on the cancel button, here we can see that no any action has been performed, so now again we have to click on the delete button. And again confirmation dialog box has been pop up in the browser with OK and cancel button. Now we have to click on the OK button, and after click on the OK button, here we can see that department data has been deleted from MySQL table using Laravel Eloquent Model class, and here we can see success message on the web page. So in this part, we have learned how to delete or remove data from MySQL table with confirmation under this Laravel Visitor Management System project, and in next part we will start making Visitor Management module under this Laravel Visitor Management System. So we will be meet in next part, and lastly thank you for watching this tutorial. And additionally, do not forget to subscribe our channel for future video tutorial update.